Hello, welcome to another Sleepy Developer Tutorials video. My name is Justin, and today I'm going to be doing another video about how to use Megadeth Digital. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MetaMask app to connect your wallet so that way you can redeem perks right from your phone. So I'm going to be using my iOS device today and a Ledger wallet. So here we are, got my phone in the middle, and we've got the Ledger Flex over here on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Ethereum app on the Ledger Flex. So now that we've got that out of the way, this also assumes that you've already set up your Ledger device to work with MetaMask. If you'd like to know how to set up your Ledger device to work with MetaMask, let me know in the comments and I might make a video that shows you how to do that. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click on the MetaMask app icon here, open that up. Use Face ID to authenticate. Here we go. This is my wallet. Great. If I click on NFTs, you can see I've got my my Rattlehead NFT right here. So if I go down to the bottom of the page and you see here in the toolbar, there's a little icon with a circle and the arrows. That's the browser icon. So if you tap that, it takes you to the built-in browser for MetaMask. So this is MetaMask's built-in browser. So if I click on the address bar up here and I type in Megadeth Digital.io and hit go, you'll see now here I am. Now I need to connect my wallet. So I'm going to connect the wallet, choose DApp provider, and I'm going to hit sign in. And now you can see it says sign in and it wants me to sign in with my Ledger. So if I hit sign in with Ledger, if we look over there, now we have a message to review. So I'm going to swipe once. And now it tells me the message, welcome to the club, here's my security code, and I'm going to swipe next, and you can see I can now sign my message by pressing and holding. So I'm going to do that, and we have now signed the message, and we're logged in. Great. So now that we're logged in, let's go ahead and redeem a perk. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the menu here and select wallet. There is my NFT, and if I had multiple, they would show up in a nice little list here that I can scroll through. And if it's got this little frame around it, that means that you have a perk that you can redeem. So I'm going to go ahead and redeem a perk. So I'm going to tap on my NFT, scroll down, hit redeem perk, and you can see now I can redeem my perks here. And there's a drop down menu. If there's multiple perks that you can redeem, they will show up in this list. Right now there's only one available. If you scroll down, it will tell you what the perk is. These are going to be changing and updating as they come available. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And let's see, we're going to scroll down. We need to confirm. So to redeem, I just hit redeem, and there we go. I've just now redeemed my perk. So I'm going to go ahead and hit close. And now you can see that the icon no longer has a frame around it because we now no longer have any more available perks because we just redeemed it. But you know, that's the cool part about this is more perks become available. So it's always important to keep checking, you know, your NFTs to see if you've got a border around it. And then also one thing that you should definitely do is set up and link your Discord. I'm not going to show how to do a Discord link in this video, but if you'd like to do that, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on how to link your Discord to your wallet for megadethdigital.io so you can get access to the community. And linking your wallet and your Discord gives you access to a special channel where you can get your questions answered real time, and you can also participate periodically in Q&As with the band. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time.